You have these JBL Live 500 BT wireless headphones, but one side is not working, or when you move the air cap, the sound sometimes appears for a short moment. Then this problem is an easy fix. It turns out that inside one of the speaker wires has simply disconnected. To do this repair, you will need a soldering iron kit and a few tools. Start by removing the decorative plastic ring on the side that doesn't work. Then using the Phillips head screwdriver unscrew the screws that hold this cover in place. The two screws holding this cover in place are a greeting from JBL because they use triangular head screws, but the hack is that you can find the flat head screwdriver of the correct size that you can use to unscrew these screws. It's not easy, but it can be done. Remove the housing, and here you can see how many wires are inside these headphones. And here is our luck. Only one wire has disconnect from the board. Thin the end of the wire first to get a better solder connection, then solder the wire back into place. For better repair, I suggest using some tape to secure the wires in place. Now turn on the headphones and listen to see if you can hear the JBL startup tone from the repaired side as well. Yes, it works. Now comes the simplest part, putting everything back together. Put the cover back on, screw all the screws back in, attach decorative ring, and don't forget to put those triangular screws back. But I don't like them, so I found some Torx head screws and replaced them. And that's all. You saved some money and saved these JBL Live series headphones.